that's when you're planning your route out and you're deciding, do I need to go east or west to go north or south? Sometimes the signage might not be clear, telling you when you get to the intersection which way you need to go. They might just have a sign that says, like in Kansas, maybe you get off at Interstate 70 onto US 283, and maybe the sign doesn't have an arrow pointing saying this is north and this is south. They might just have two arrows telling you that either way you turns on 283, but you need to go, which way do I go? So here, now this is kind of inverse as I'm doing it. So I'm trying to do it. So you headed west on 70, right? You're going across 70, and you know you need to get on US 283 north. So you know you got to get off at exit 127. See the little exit number is right there. So you get off exit 127, and bottom of the ramp is US 283. Now, if you're going west and you get the bottom of the ramp, if it's a straight down ramp, right? If you get off the highway interstate and you go straight to the light, either up or down, then it's a right turn to 283 north. If you go left, you go 283 south. If you're coming on 70 east, getting on 283, it's going to be the opposite. That's right. Get to the bottom of the ramp or the top of the ramp. If it's straight up, straight down. If you would make a right, you go south. If you go left, you go north. Now, it kind of throws a monkey wrench in it. When you get a ramp that does, you get off the ramp and it does this number. Then, of course, you got to take that into consideration that you might turn a different direction. But it's good to map this out and know the eventual possibilities. That's why I also like to use Google as a backup. I can zoom in on the ramps and see what they do. And that's true. And I use Kansas because the roads are pretty straight, right? The truck routes are pretty straight. So you can tell if you're going north here on 83 and you get to Scott City, you need to get on 96. If you're going 83 north and you get to 96 and you got to take 96 east, you know you're going to make a right turn. If you want to go west on 96, you're going to go left. So that's a pretty simplified way to do your route planning. Something else you can do is when you look at your atlas and you say, hey, I got to get on 96, I need to go east, and I don't know if it'll be marked, maybe make a little note. Say, take 96 east towards maybe Dighton, right? You can tell by the dot it's a bigger city, and there's likely to be a sign there that says to Dighton, or Dighton's X number of miles that way, or something like that. So it helps you know you're making the right turn.